Let's go. Let's keep it going. Yeah. Don't stop. Just move.
For your free consultation and estimate.
Yeah.
Or go to one of our websites.
OJ channel, starter strip, straight.
Y'all know this feeling, right? Y'all know what time it is. Let me move you. Let me move you. Let me move you in a way that you've never been moved before. I mean the way the dancers slide across the dance floor. I mean the way the people hear the music in the club and just bang their heads.
Here we are. We just installed vinyl cedar shake siding on this house. We're on the front now, and as you can see, it was a tear-off.
Once that bass line come in, you can't do nothing but ride. You know, it's house music. It's house music. It's house music. It's house music. It's house
You can see the lumber. What we've done here, instead of putting a column on the bottom,
A trim board, we're getting a nice look on it. We have some cold molding between the blocks. It's just finishing up right now. And you see, that's what you want. That's what you want with every course once you install it.
That's house music. That's house music. That's house music. Come on. Yeah.
OJ channel, starter strip, straight.